Hi everyone, this is Kona, and I'm going to do a brief introduction to the course and navigating the course. So, first of all, when you log into the course, you're going to come to this main homepage. So the main homepage has all of the really important information that you're going to need to be successful in the course. Now, I know some students kind of have the habit of being on their main dashboard when you first log in and only checking that to-do list over here on the left. I'm sorry, on the right. Please don't succumb to that. There's some really important information here in the actual course, so make sure you're actually going into the course and checking things out. That's not to say that the to-do list isn't important and useful, just like the calendar is, but the to-do list does not have all of the information that's really important, so make sure you're actually coming in here and coming to this main homepage. So first of all, please make sure you read the Getting Started in Math 171 page. The information there is super important, just to help make sure that everything that you're ready and prepared be successful. So there's my little introduction video about me, but you need to read the syllabus, make sure you purchase access to the MyStatLab, make sure you have a calculator. The calculator is really important and it's going to make your life a lot easier. Add a profile picture. So I know it might seem like, not a big deal, but I want this to kind of be a community where we're all kind of working together and helping each other. And if there's a picture associated with your name, it kind of helps make you seem like a real person. Since this is just an online environment, it's kind of nice. If you don't feel comfortable using your own face as your profile picture, you can use something else that represents you. So like a sports team, a movie star, a famous historical figure, I don't care, but just add something for your profile picture. I would say I prefer your actual picture, but you know what? I don't care that much. Just do something. And then you're going to want to complete the Getting Started assignments. So those are all the things that need to be done for this first module. So first of all, in reading the syllabus, now to navigate, you can either click this next button, which will take you to the syllabus, or you can come back up, click on the home button, and you can click on the syllabus from here. So it doesn't matter which way you get there, you can get there either which way. So here is your syllabus information. Make sure that you go through all of this different stuff. There's a lot of really useful information here, and it might seem like a lot, but most of these are just like 1 page worth of information, not even a full page, and it's really important. It will make sure that you're going to be successful in the course, and also you're going to be quizzed on it at the end of this module, so you kind of have to know it anyway. So make sure you got that. We're going to go ahead and click the next button to get to the MyMathLab information. So here's information about MyMathLab. It's really important to read through this and get access to MyMathLab. So if you're wondering, where is MyMathLab? How do I access it? It's this link right over here on the left. So MyMathLab and Mastering. It's important because all of your homework, your pre-tests, your tests, all of that will be done in the MyLab and Mastering product. I explain more of that here, but it's just really important for you to go through and take a look at it. This time I'm going to go back to the home button. And the next part is our Getting Started assignments. This just kind of explains that you've got these 3 assignments that you need to do before you get access to your week 1 materials. So if you notice, here, look, I can't click on anything. That's because there's a prerequisite down here of the Start Here module, which means you have to contribute to this page, you must submit this assignment, and you must submit this assignment before you can move forward and get into this module. So make sure you complete these as soon as possible. So even though they do have a due date of June 7th, you're going to want to complete these as soon as possible, so that way you can move on and actually get into the real course content. These Getting Started assignments include 2 truths and a lie. So that's kind of our little get to know each other. I participated as well, so go ahead and get in there and participate. Make sure to reply to some people. Tell me about yourself. Now this assignment, I want a little bit more personal information, and no other students will see it. So this is kind of like you telling me, like, I've got a math phobia, or I'm going to be on vacation for a week, and what do I need to do to make sure I can, be successful in the course? That type of information. And then you've got the Getting Started quiz. So you need to complete that. The Getting Started quiz, you do have to complete with a 100%. You can take it as many times as you want, but you do have to complete it with a 100% before everything will be done. So get in and get those taken care of. And that's kind of how to get started in the class. So we do have the, really quick though, we do have the My Math Lab and Mastering information. We've got your grades. So if you click, you can actually see your grades. So these are the only grades that are currently available right now. And then people. So if you click on people, you can see the different people in this class and what's going on with them. And there's also a chat button. So if you wanted to chat with someone, the thing with chat though is that you both have to be logged into chat. So yeah, it's not, unless you say, hey, meet up with me at a certain time and we can chat, it's just not really useful. But there is your course. Those are your navigational links. And let me know if you have any questions about anything, and I'll be happy.